The journey to becoming an auto service expert isn't easy. It requires patience, persistence, and plenty of hard work. At Toyota of Clermont, we're here to help you on your way to becoming an expert at auto service. Today, we're going to go over the basics of windshield wipers. If you can see clearly now because the rain is gone, you can thank your windshield wipers. These essential parts of your vehicle do a lot more than just sit on your windshield. When the rain starts to pour, your wipers go to work to clear your view. Made simply of rubber and plastic or metal, windshield wiper blades contour to your windshield to wipe away water and other debris items. They can also clean dirt, dust, and pollen from your windshield by using your wiper fluid. You can assess the condition of your wiper blades by looking to see if streaks appear after using them. Your wipers might also squeak or bounce. If any of these symptoms show, you should look into replacing the blades. Wipers come in several different sizes, so be sure to check your vehicle's owner's manual and ask one of our auto service experts which size is right for your car. Don't forget to replace the rear windshield wiper too if you have one. While replacing your windshield wipers, make sure to check your wiper fluid level. Pop open the hood and look for the windshield symbol on a tank. Take the cap off and look down the tube. If you can see wiper fluid, you have enough. If not, carefully pour new fluid in until it's full. Windshield wipers can keep your view clear and make your drive that much safer. Maintain them regularly so you can see clearly with every drive. Thanks for joining us at Toyota of Clermont for another episode of Becoming an Auto Service Expert. If you need help with any of your auto service needs, visit us at 16851 State Road 50 today.